Microsoft Excel, page setup, page layout, margin setup. This is one example for this. So margin setup, page margin, left, right, right, top, bottom for margins with that header and footer. So likewise orientation, portrait and landscape. So the paper sizes, the different sizes, paper sizes, A4 size, A3 size, whatever you need, say you can select from here. Say the paper sizes. So the orientation, portrait and landscape. Portrait, vertical wise you can take the printout, or horizontal wise you can take the printout. So likewise margin, say standard margins created by manufacturers. So whatever you need, say you can select from here. Custom margin, so you select the custom margin. Say the top margin, bottom margin, left margin, right margin, footer and header. So the margins, you can select this one. At the same time, after set up the margin, so you click on the print preview. Print preview. How to coming for the printing. Right, with the margin. Say, so then click on here. So the margin, customs margin. So you click on the customs margin. Say already with the menu ribbon, margin, orientation, size. So likewise, say the tabs are here, the page, portrait and landscape. Say adjust to the normal size. Percentage wise, you can increase or decrease the size. So the paper sizes, you can select from here. The print quality 600 dpi, depending on the printer. So dots per inches, 600 dpi, 600 dots per inches. Say likewise margin. So then header and footer, page header and footer, customs header, custom footer, custom header. So you click on here. So the text formats, you click on here, say they're bold, size 12 and color, different color. So then click on OK. Say now page number, insert number of pages, now click on here. So then click on this one, insert page number. So likewise text format you can give. Let's say now type the right section. So the file, insert file path. So you click on here, the insert file path, display on here. So after that, okay, say this should come to here, that page header. So likewise custom footer, date and time. So the date and time. So then type the insert the sheet name. So they insert the file path or whatever, say you can select on here. So then after that, okay. Say then print preview is coming on like this way. Print preview is coming like this way, right? So the header and footer. So then click on here. So the margin, customs margin. So you can take the printout like this way. You click on the print. So you can take the printout. The header and footer, page setup, sheet, print preview. So later we'll come back to the print section, right? So then after that, okay. These are the page setup. So the later another unit with a different function you can meet on with a different function with a print function you can meet on the print function.